Life in the US is always busy. It's a go, go, go. So, what we need to do is we need to stretch ourselves before going to work so we'll not get injured. I learned a lot this year in my physical therapy said you need to stretch yourself every day before going to work or doing any exercise. So she gave me a picture of how to do a better stretches to avoid injury. So my friends, before I'm going to go for a walk today, I will stretch and then go for a walk. And my family and friends and my new friend who are not subscribed in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe over here, like and comment, and don't forget to push that notification bell so you get notified in my next video. My family and friends, follow my video. My family and friends, before I'll show you my video, I'm going to thank all the subscribers, my family and friends, and I'm going to mention them in a little bit. I cannot reach to 1,000 subscribers or 7,000, so over 7,000 subscribers now without all of you. So I still need your support, and so I can do better in my channel. My family and friends, thank you all, and please continue to support my channel, and I will see you in a little bit. I thank you all, my family and friends, and to all the subscribers in this journey. And I also thank you all the 7,000 subscribers, to Ayan Canillas, Kim Distua, Irene Manson, Anthony Novinado, and we have Emis Twin or Emers Twin. We have Farah Chan Mark. I also thank the Kasulig Group, My Angels Vlog, MYK TV, Inday Ring Pahang, GJ Hen Fishing Master. Let me see who else. Juan Tabana Vlogs, Jabin, Bill Bernards, of course, the Kasulig Group, Lipstick Mama Vlog, Gulay Nation, Bill Bernards, of course, very helpful. Thank you so much. Let me see, Hotel Vlog, Mil Urembi, Sis Godia, Gia OFW, the OFW code, Willa Karen TV, Emer Kalau. I also thank Rena Med for always supporting my channel, my favorite channel, Rinsel Brown, of course my Angels Black, which I mentioned earlier already. We have Kami Brew, Board Lemon, Big Mick 29, Pinay in South Korea, May Estelioso, Shaynade 07, and if I did not pronounce your name good, I'm sorry. But I thank you all for subscribing my channel. I can't thank you enough. Hotel Vlog, Mel Urimbi, Sis Gaudia, the OFW code, and everybody who are supporting my channel. Gia OFW, Antoinette Gaudian, and everybody at the Kasolid team. I also thank the Kasolid group, My Angels Vlog, MYK TV, Inday Ring Pahang, JJ Hen Fishing Master, let me see who else, Juan Tabana Vlogs, Jabin, Bill Bernards, of course, the Kasolid group, Lipstick Mama Vlog, Gulay Nation, Bill Bernards, of course, very helpful. Thank you so much. Let me see, Hotel Vlog, Mil Urembi, Sis Godia, Gia OFW, the OFW code, Willa Karen TV, Emer Kalau. Then we have AC Things, Japanese writings, I don't know, but it says it's good. They like my channel. Osboy in Thailand, Pinoy Planet. Solid team, we have Bill Bernards, of course, Antoinette Gorana, Gulay Nation, someone that like my channel. I don't know who are those people, but thank you so much. Then we have Ione's Way TV, Mommy and Vanity, Heinz Borja, Jingle and Jam TV, Simply Kiza, Ivy's channel. Guys, we are on top of the hill. It's really good. We walk over here, go up to top of the hill, and you can see the view. Beautiful day today. Not too hot, not too cold. Beautiful. The sky is kind of cloudy today. I don't think it will rain, but it's kind of cloudy. So we're going to the Home Depot anyway. And then after that, I'm gonna pass by the dollar store because I'm gonna pick up something for my bathroom. Walking today up to the top of the hill. Feels good. Look at that, we're on top of the hill. And you can see the sky and the view. Beautiful. Okay guys, we're on top of the hill and going down now for our walk. Very nice area. And maybe some very mild. Maybe this one. I have to smell it first because I need a mild one. That's a closet organizer or kitchen. I love it, so I'm gonna grab a few. This one.